Good morning, welcome to Maitri's kitchen. So today recipe is a mouth-watering authentic recipe. It is called as Puli Inji, also called as tamarind ginger. This recipe is very famous in Kerala and Tanjavur, but today we are going to do a mix and match of both the places. The ingredients required to do our Inji Puli is, I have taken a cup of tamarind juice which is thick, followed with grated ginger, required amount of jaggery, little curry leaves, asafoetida, not the powder, the actual asafoetida, followed with green chili, chili powder, sesame oil and mustard seeds. The only difference in doing between both the places is in Kerala they do it with coconut oil, in Tanjavur they do it with sesame oil, in Kerala they do not include green chili, whereas in Tanjavur they include green chili. These are the only differences in the ingredients. And in Tanjavur they make it more spicier because ginger is already spicy. Followed with that we are adding a chili powder, but still they add a piece of green chili. That is the only speciality of this recipe. So let us walk into the video how to do our step-by-step mouth-watering Puli Inji. So friends, to do our Puli Inji mouth-watering recipe, the first step is we have to add around 50 grams of sesame oil. People who want to do it in coconut oil should add the same amount of oil. Now we need to add our asafoetida. I am adding a piece of, not the powder. If we add this, it's more good than adding the powder. Get slightly melted. Then we will add our mustard seeds. Getting melted. So as I told, please add only 50 ml to 60 ml of sesame oil if you are doing it in Tanjavur style. If you are doing it in Kerala style, add it coconut oil of 50 to 60 ml. So now we are going to add our 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. So as the mustard seeds is getting tossed, we need to add a little curry leaves. So now I am going to add the curry leaves. With the curry leaves, we are going to add our 1 green chili. If you are doing it in Kerala style, not to add green chili. At this stage, we are going to add our cleaned and grated ginger, which is about 150 grams. Still the ginger smell goes, the raw smell of the ginger. You have to keep on frying it and keep the stove in the medium flame only. You can find our ginger is finely tossed, the raw smell is almost gone. So at this stage you add the required amount of salt, so that no need to add again. So for this quantity we need to add at least 1.5 tablespoon of salt. So add it right away and then add our thick tamarind juice. Now I am going to add our tamarind juice. So you need to keep it in stove in medium flame only, and still it gets finely boiled. It has to be in medium flame. So let's see once it's boiled what is the next step. You can find the tamarind water is nicely boiling in our ginger and ginger is finely cooked. At this stage I am going to add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Mix it well. Followed with our chili powder, we are going to add our jaggery. Jaggery is a cleaned jaggery, so we are not adding it in the water. You can buy the cleaned jaggery and then add it. If you still find it doubt, we should still clean the jaggery. You can always clean it with water, strain it and add that water into our tamarind paste. So now let all the jaggery get finely melted. It will come to a little thick consistency. Still then we have to leave it for boiling in medium flame. So friends, here goes our Inji Puli authentic recipe. You can find it is so very yummy and mouth watering. It's come out very well. You can find all the ginger is finely smashed in the tamarind and in the jaggery soup. So it's almost, you can find here. So it's come out very well. So in another 2 minutes we are going to off the stove and it's ready to be displayed. Friends, here goes our authentic Inji Puli recipe. Please do try this recipe. It's a very yummy and mouth-watering recipe. So please watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking, stay safe, bye-bye.